My name's Darren Stefanishin, and I'm a professor in the Faculty of Kinesiology, and we're here in the Human Performance Lab. We have a collaboration with Field Turf that goes back probably about 8 or 9 years now. Our expertise is in biomechanics, in human movement, so we can collaborate with them to try to make their turf safer and to be the best performing turf that they can actually produce. One of the potential drawbacks of artificial turf, at least some of the original versions of artificial turf, was that they had higher injuries than natural grass. Working with these companies, we can collect the data, we can gather the information, and we can identify why these parameters of the artificial turf are related to injuries, and then we can modify and manipulate them so that we can decrease the potential for injuries on artificial turf. We had an interesting project with World Rugby where they came to us and they asked us, how would you design a cleat that, number one, optimizes performance, and number two, minimizes injury potential with rugby? And so we did something similar where we brought a whole bunch of people into the lab, we collected all different kinds of movement patterns. We then did some mechanical testing where we manipulated different parameters of the cleats, where we changed, for example, cleat location, cleat position, cleat size, cleat dimensions, all these sort of things. Then the final phase of that project was to take athletes, give them these new cleats, make sure and ensure that they could do their performance, and they still could. And we were also able to show that potential injury parameters were lowered with these particular cleats as well. We did this first project with male subjects, so they're very, very interested now in taking the research that we did, adapting it, modifying it for the female population, because we know that females have different needs. They actually have higher rates of injuries. So it's a very important project to ensure that we have cleats that are proper, not only for male athletes, but also for female athletes.